planning a trip and want your friends or family to follow your journey? Let's compare Findpenguins and Polarsteps, two top travel tracking apps in 2025 that help you document your adventure and stay connected with loved ones. Quick disclaimer, this is based on personal research and opinion. Always test the apps yourself before committing. According to findpenguins.com, this app is built for travelers who want a smart and automatic way to track their journeys. It works in the background, collecting location data and building a digital travel journal, even offline. You can create travel stops where you add stories, photos, and notes, and your route is shown on the map. It's private by default, but you can share your trip via a custom link or invite friends to follow along. There's also an in app social feed so you can follow other travelers or share updates. One unique feature is the ability to order a professional printed travel book at the end of your trip, with photos, maps, and stats from your journey. As described on Polarsteps.com, Polar Steps also tracks your travel automatically, using minimal battery by recording steps intelligently in the background. It lets you add photos, travel notes, and highlights to each location you visit, and your followers get a real-time map of your progress. What sets Polar Steps apart is the ability to control how often your location is tracked, which helps conserve battery on long trips. Syncing happens only when you're online, so it's great for offline travel too. The app also features detailed trips statistics, a timeline view, and the option to generate a beautiful hardcover travel book from your journey, including all your stories and photos. One Reddit user planning a 6-month tour praised Polar Steps for its ease of use, strong GPS tracking, and the fact that it's perfectly for family to follow along. No fancy gear needed, but they did mention that for live tracking in remote areas, you'd need a dedicated GPS device with a subscription, which neither of these apps fully replaces. Both apps are excellent for keeping memories and letting others follow your adventure. Find Penguins leans more into the blogging and social journal vibe, while Polar Steps is more lightweight, flexible, and better suited for longer or battery-conscious trips. If simplicity, good GPS, and easy sharing are your priorities, Polar Steps is likely a better fit. Let us know which one you're taking on your next adventure, and safe travels!